Hello everybody. Well, we all know about the new law came down about the handheld cell phone. So I put it off to the last minute, but I finally had to break down and buy one today. And that was one of these. Bluetooth headset. Hands-free. Now I can receive calls and talk hands-free driving down the road to stay in compliance with the new law. Because if you get caught talking on a handheld device, the fine is $2,750 to the driver and $11,000 fine goes to the company. Do you really think if you get fined and the company gets fined that company is gonna keep you around very long? I don't think so. So this is what I got. I bought today the gloves. Model number is let's see what the model number is. Put my grandpa glasses on so I can see. Blue Parrot Road Warrior B250-XT, and it's all fancy, got the little blue light flashing over there and everything else. I paid, let's see, I bought gloves in Little Rock, Arkansas. It cost $99.99. Sales tax $8.50. Total was $108.49. I'm sure I probably could have got a cheaper one on sale or something, but I wanted what I've heard reviews from other drivers and everything, that this Blue Parrot here is one of the best. So I'm not used to having something on my ear all the time, and this thing on my head, you know, I can wear it over my hat here, or take off my hat and use it like this, which I don't go without a hat because you can see why. So I put this hat on, or any other hat like this, and it works perfect. That way it ain't rubbing your head. But the only thing I don't like about it is I can't wear my big hat with it. See, it just don't fit. And I can't wear it over. That don't work. I guess I could try something like this. Put it back here, hook it to my ear, and bend this down. No, I don't think that's gonna work. But anyway, I guess I'll just have to wear my regular hat while I'm driving. There we go. Perfect. And all the calls I've got today, everybody said it sounded good. No noise, background noise. And everybody came through this thing loud and clear. So I guess I got with the program and got me one of these things. But I'm going to tell you this right now, you will not see me walking around a truck stop or a restaurant or whatever with this thing on. When I get out this truck, out this door right here, this thing is going, hanging up right there. Now I can take my handheld phone, because it is still not illegal to walk or go in a store or whatever with the phone like this. Not yet anyway. So that's about it for me. Be sure you get you one of those so you don't get that big fine and your company don't get fined. And Thanks for watching.